Let's talk about Turbo token. Continues to absolutely rip. Again, when we talk about Turbo, and we've talked about it, I don't know, probably 50 plus times at least on the channel, we're seeing the trading volume 322 million, market cap 399 million. The trading volume is almost equivalent to the market cap. Maybe like a week ago, I think I put a tweet out and I was like, wow, it's crazy that the turbo trading volume is like a quarter, or I think it was half of the market cap. Now it's very close to almost the full market cap. 0057 at the time of this video. We look at the last month for turbo, it's up 210%. Again, it was only really a matter of time. I think anyone that's holding turbo kind of knows and understands what they're holding and has kind of understood that the entire time during this massive downward trend in the market, right? But this is looking very, very healthy right here over the last year. Again, it was not that long ago, less than 6 months ago, turbo was at a penny 0.013 at that time. So obviously this downward trend here, a lot of people got out. I think a lot of people got in as well. And then the holder count really since, I don't say, the beginning of March has just really exploded. We look at the holder count for turbo, 54,193. I mean, imagine the buying pressure when this is at 60,000, 75,000, 100,000 holders, which I do think it's going to happen very soon, in my opinion. Like, I think maybe by the end of the year, I think we could see north of 75,000 holders without question. Probably north of 80,000 holders, to be honest, by the end of this year, if not sooner. But we look at just even a short amount of time, you know, week to week, Friday, April 25th, 53,658. Now it's at 54,193. So again, over 500 new holders in just a week. People are buying turbo, right? They understand kind of where it sits as a meme coin in this market. It is currently trending number 2 on coin market cap, and I mean, I don't know why it's not number 1. I don't know what Ask Noel is, but $315 million in trading volume, $391 million market cap, second on the trending cryptos on coin market cap. If we look at the meme coins, it's easily, I think, the most highest performing meme coin over the last 7 days for sure. Up 26%. I guess AI16Z is up a little bit. The AI meme coins doing well, but as far as just like, I mean, I don't know how many holders AI16Z has, but turbo up 26%, up 27% over the last 24 hours, just absolutely ripping. I think it's only a matter of time before it, passes ApeCoin, obviously. And then again, when it did reach those all-time highs back in December, the market cap was, or actually let's go to the year. Market cap was almost at 879 million. So if it gets to that billion market cap range, obviously it's going to absolutely go crazy and it'll be north of 2 cents, I believe, at that point. But I mean, this has to just really be exciting people here, seeing this trading volume up 276%, almost the equivalent of the entire market cap. Now, if we do go back to the 1 year chart, and I've talked about this in previous videos, and then we compare the 1 year chart to Ethereum, we can see the vast similarities in these charts. Right now, Turbo is sitting on top of Ethereum, is going to need Ethereum to rip, and Turbo is doing this right here over the last month, doing this, which is obviously very healthy. It's doing this type of chart with Ethereum, obviously not necessarily following suit, although it is doing better, right? Imagine when Ethereum really pivots and the market conditions really flip and we see Ethereum get north of 3,000, north of 3,500 again. It's gonna be crazy for Turbo, in my opinion, at least. When we talk about Turbo, with Pepe's current market cap, which is 3.7 billion, 5 cents. Pepe's all-time high, which is around 11 billion, 16 cents, which is a 27x from right now. And again, meme coins in the markets previously, like, if we just talk about memes in the last cycle, right, we know the type of market caps some of these coins had all time, right? We go to Dogecoin market cap all time, north of 73 billion. Okay, that's just one. Shiba Inu, I think it's got to be 40 plus, I believe. I could be wrong. 35 billion. What's another one? One more. Let's just look at Bonk, or let's look at Floki. I think Floki's been around a little bit longer. Floki market cap all time, was north of 2.6 billion, right? 2.5 billion. And I think honestly, given everything that Turbo has going on for it right now, at least, like as far as explosion of growth, I would put it above Bonk, in my opinion, at least. And then I would also put it above Floki, obviously Pudgy Penguins, Brett, Dog of Hat. I put it Turbo, like literally as far as community potential chance of just like really giving us insane multipliers. I mean, I can't put it above Doge because I don't see Turbo going to market cap of, that high, but I would put it right below Pepe, in my opinion, as far as meme coins that have ability, essentially, not by price, because obviously circulating supply is different, but by ability to reach a certain market cap. I would put Pepe at Turbo number 4, in my opinion. Like, honestly, we talk about 16 cents, 27x from here. I think a lot of people are holding, multiple millions of Turbo. So this will obviously be great multipliers for a lot of people. And then even if we just like, let's just say conservatively, right? We say, Turbo hits Shiba Inu's current market cap, which is 8 billion. That's 11 cents, right? Which is again less than what Pepe is. But if we hit Shiba's all-time high, 59 cents. So let's just say we get half of that, 20 cents. I don't know. I think, again, continuing to say 10 to 25 cents for Turbo, in my opinion. I think once the market flips and Ethereum flips, Turbo's going to absolutely continue to ascend. It's doing very, very well right now. Yeah, let me know in the comments what you feel about Turbo. Please drop a like, hit the subscribe button, and as always, have a great day.